Please welcome our next valedictorian, Theodore Ravago.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss it, you will land among the stars. The academic standards held at this school are reflected by such a mindset and has been instilled in me for my many years here at Lakeside and Brookside Christian. For these past 9 years, I have been at school in Lakeside Christian. I never really could imagine leaving Lakeside, to be honest. I never imagined that I would be going into high school. It just seemed like it would be forever and a day. But now, we are at the end of our final day of middle school. Today, we all part ways. Now miss each and every one of you. I am sure all of you feel the same. We have been through a lot through these past 2 years. From the first time we walked onto the Brookside Christian campus as its new students, to being promoted, here and now. I know a few of us started later at Brookside, but all of us share some sentiments all the same. We have all gone through many things together, from the light ride in Deloso Farms, to just hanging out in the bowling alley. I know these times of relaxation and socialization will never be forgotten, and I am certain you all feel the same. We had almost all of our classes together, and we learned a bunch of things. In history, we learned CCO, personal IDs, and to dread the word explain on tests. In math class, we learned to add and subtract unlike fractions, and to do quadratic equations. I remember every time the class saw fractions on our homework, everyone would groan in anticipation for the problem's difficulty. In Spanish class, my friends learned to call me muy tonto, and I learned to respond by addressing them, muy feo. In Christian living, we came to a better understanding of the Bible, from the stories of Genesis to the parables of the gospel. The candy incentive was a nice plus too. In English, we learned MLA format, how to write essays, and how the book To Kill a Mockingbird sounds like when read with a southern accent. In band, we played a lot of fun and challenging music. The band room ended up being the place where many other band students and I would go to hang out after school. In science, we were taught about the Earth and the final frontier. All of the teachers did a fantastic job in giving us a high-quality education, and I speak for the rest of my class when I thank you all for your continued hard work, care, and dedication to every single one of your students. Mr. Gibson, I believe I speak for everyone when I say thank you. Thank you for promoting an atmosphere that is not a mere educational institution, but a family-oriented learning environment, and making clear the importance of the partnership between parents, faculty, and administration in education. It is through this partnership that we, the students, were raised as young men and women with greater character and strong Christian values. Now, we should all look forward to the future. Tomorrow is the first day of the rest of our lives. Today marks the end of one chapter of our lives, and also marks the start of a new beginning. And that new beginning lies just behind that door, which leads to the next chapter of our lives. It starts the second we walk out of here. We won't walk out as 8th graders, but as high schoolers, ready to take on the endeavors which lie ahead. As we walk the path to our aspirations, we may travel a rough road. You may go over, go around, go under, or go through, but never give up. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in congratulating your Lakeside Christian Junior High class of 2014.